Hi, Jarrod Carman from eView Mornington Peninsula, and welcome to 23 Emerald Close in Mornington. And isn't this one a ripper? You are in for a surprise, surprise, surprise. This 3-bedroom home is just gorgeous. It's been completely renovated, and I'm not going to give it away just yet. You need to come inside and have a look. Come on in. So from the undercover entryway, you come in from the double garage as well, straight into this hallway to the open living space. How good is this living space? Really hard wearing floor. You've got nice light coming through from the skylight there, and this really cool open lounge room. It's actually a really good size. The VJ board there is quite cool. You've got a nice little study area here. Could be another reading spot. Just a great little area. And that leads out to the outdoor entertainment. Through here, you come through to the kitchen. Renovated kitchen, very cool. Stone bench tops, nice cabinetry, really cool handles in the place. Great appliances, all new appliances, all the way through. Fantastic. Again, really has a servery window. Servery window to straight out to the outdoor entertaining. This is awesome. And again, skylight, lots of light coming through. Really nice open space for the family to hang out and chill out here. This is great. Back at the front of the house, you have this great main bedroom. This is a really good size. Cool thing is, there's a bedroom size walk-in robe. How good is this? This is really a bedroom that's been converted into a robe space. Part of the main bedroom is this sensational ensuite bathroom. Really good size. Double vanities, on-trend black taps. These are recessed in, so there's plenty of storage space. Huge shower, cool colours. It's just a really cool bathroom. I like this. Bedroom 2 with brand new carpet and built-in robes is of great proportions with its own ceiling fan, and it's serviced by this gorgeous bathroom. This amazing bathroom, incredible colours, just so well done. Really nice neutral tile, herringbone pattern. It is just to die for. Third bedroom is set at the back of the property with great size built-in robes, brand new carpet, ceiling fan. Now, what a great property with great entertaining areas inside, but this is where it goes from great to outstanding. This is one of the best indoor outdoor entertaining rooms I've seen. This is extraordinary. So you've got all this space here, fully tiled, skylights, lots of light coming through, and get a look at this. How good is this? You've got a full kitchen outside. So fireplace, gas burning fireplace. You can put a telly in there if you like. The space out here is, you have to come and see it. It's so hard for me to describe it, but this is amazing. You've got full-blown kitchen here. So, own fridge, stock it full of beers, sink, barbecue setup has its own flue as well. This is an entertainer's paradise. How could you not be happy with this? This is extraordinary. And beyond here, you've still got heaps of yard space. So set on 693 square metres with heaps of land beyond the house. Room for a pool, trampoline, heaps of room for the kids to play, and you have a fantastic outlook to the soccer pitch out the back. This is a truly extraordinary property, and it's set in a wonderful location, so close to walking areas. You've got the park just up the road here, all the recreational facilities right behind us, and this is just a remarkable property and a remarkable home to live in. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself and my team a call anytime, and let's get you in here. This is awesome.